Goats always hungry means here the donkey is thinking about goat, that goats are always hungry. So he thought that I will give it to the goat. I should take this to him. Donkey trolled to goat's house, but he was not there. So goat was not there. So the donkey left the turnip by the door and went back to home. So he also left it on the door and went back to home. Soon goat returned home with a cabbage. So goat is returning back to his house with a cabbage. He saw the turnip by the door. The same thing here in the story is repeating with another animals. The same thing rabbit did with the donkey. Donkey did the same thing with the goat. And since goat was having the cabbage, so he saw the turnip by the door. Now look what he will do. Dear me, said goat. Someone has lost a turnip. He thought that this is someone else's turnip and he has lost it. It must be dear when she passed away from here. I should return this to her. He thought that this is of whose? This is of deer. I should return it to the deer. Goat then rolled the turnip to deer's house. Now the goat took the turnip to deer's house, but deer was not there. So the goat left the turnip by the door and trudged back home. So the sound of walking of a goat is called as trudged. Deer came home with a carrot she had found. She saw the turnip. Now deer is having a carrot and she saw the turnip. Now look what will happen. How kind, someone left me a gift. So deer is thinking this is a gift someone has given to me, said the deer. Whom deer is talking? Deer is talking to himself. But there is no need to keep more than I can eat. There is so much snow. He thought that it is snowfall. There is so much snow. So I should give it to somebody else. I wonder if rabbit was able to find any food at all. Since it was snowfall, so he thought that rabbit was not able to find food. See, the whole thing again is returning back to whom? The person who started it, the animal who started it, that was the rabbit. So I wonder if rabbit was able to find any food at all. I will give this to him. So deer walked carefully through the deep snow. There was a lot of snowfall and he walked through that snowfall to give it to the rabbit. Rabbit was not at home, but he was asleep. So rabbit was inside the home, but he was sleeping in deep sleep. So deer left the turnip by the door. So he also left the turnip at the door and then went back home. And then trudged back home. The next morning, rabbit woke up early. He opened the door and what did he see? Children, tell me, what did he see? He saw the turnip lying by the door. So he saw the same turnip lying by the door. Now, how has this come back to me? Means he has left it to somebody else's door. Now, who has taken it back to my door? How this came back to me? Exclaimed rabbit. Rabbit was so surprised. He was so exclaimed with this happening. So children, as you heard this story, I hope that you would have get an idea about this story and you would have understood this story well. If any confusion is there, you can ask to me. I will send few exercises along with this chapter explanation. Kindly go through it nicely and read your chapters carefully. Keep reading your English book. Practice as many word meanings as you can. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay indoor and stay safe.